And welcome back to another video of coffee and stocks. How about let's talk about AMC today? But obviously, before we get started, can I please ask every single one of you guys to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. The last video that we posted, it was kind of crappy. We got 24 views and 0 likes. It's so sad. But anyways, we are here. We're gonna keep going and we're gonna keep making these videos for you. So let's get right into it. AMC Entertainment Holdings currently going for $12.64. Not too shabby, right, for this particular stock. Don't forget that the CDC just said that you shouldn't be, not shouldn't, but you don't have to wear your mask if you're vaccinated. Obviously, there is still some big corporations that are expecting you to wear the mask indoors, especially in their facilities. AMC might be one of those big corporations, but what I'm saying is, since everything else is opening up pretty much consistently everywhere, AMC is opening their doors now, so more people go in. I am pretty sure that they are limiting the amount of space or the amount of areas where people could go in. So, you know, instead of, I don't know, 300 people now, you could only sit 150. The capacity is still a little bit smaller. Anyways, today it opened up at $12.91 and then it dropped down all the way to $12.62 for a 2.25% downwards correction. In the past week, it has gone up around 16% from their $10.88 price. In the past month, they've gone up from the $9.28 price, and in the past 6 months, they've gone up from the 3.35 mark. Now, if you guys didn't buy any last November, I swear, look at that, 277% to the upside. This, obviously, I am not a financial advisor and I'm not telling you guys to invest in AMC, but it's that quick money that you could get from this stock. Even if you have gotten it at $5, that is 129%, to the upside. It is really, really good. When you see something like this, that is the short squeezes that people are trying to get from you, right? That is very, very dangerous. Obviously, when it was trading under $5, the volatility was wild, right? We didn't know if it was going to go up or if it was going to go down. And then all of a sudden, from the $4 mark or under $5 mark, it just exploded to $20, which was, a 129%, to the upside. But what I am trying to say is that AMC will come back up higher than 20. I don't know. If we look at the 1 year trend or the 5-year trend, before it has had this constant downwards trend. Before the pandemic hit and everything shut down, they were at a negative 77.83%. Now, I will say, once again, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, but this stock isn't really good for my portfolio. But I did buy when it was around at $3, and I am expecting this to go higher than 15, and then I am going to sell some of these shares. A little bit more about it is Reddit. Just like GameStop, Express, and Naked Brand Groups, they are fighting the suits, right? So as of 12:26 Eastern time, AMC stock was down 10.1%, while other Reddit stocks like GameStop, blah blah blah, were also down. What they are saying is, just like GameStop, as we see, where is it? GameStop over here, how it was going and trading under $20, and then it shot up with that, look at that, 347%, which is like higher than 2,000% to the upside. It is happening again for AMC, and they are thinking about it, right? So, blah blah blah. AMC shares had rattled over the last week after the company closed a $428 million at the market offering last Thursday, gaining as much as 42% over the 4-day period and reaching its highest point since the initial meme stock rally back in January. Today, however, the trend in the stock reversed itself as the sell-off of cryptocurrency, which seemed to start when Tesla, Elon Musk, whatever he said, he's not accepting Bitcoin. Notably, the sell-off in AMC shares came as the U.S. economy is rapidly reopening, a bullish sign for the performance of the business. In fact, today, the New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut ended most COVID-19 restrictions, an important step in allowing movie theaters to return to full capacity in AMC's biggest market. So that is really, really good for AMC itself. I think it's really notable to have that in your portfolio, at least for right now, because it will go to the upside. Now, I am not saying that it is going to surpass, this trend over here higher than $30. I don't think so. I mean, it might hit the $20 and then it might come back down. But this right here, it seems a little much, right? Let's see, right here. So $20, $15, $15 again. It has had this high peaks and then it just drops, right? If we look at these drops, they are negative 72%, right? And then it goes back up, 155%, and then it goes back down 35%. So please be careful when investing in such companies like AMC Theater. They are producing movies that you can only see in theaters, so they are trying to get more of that traffic to go in there. Movie theaters are always going to be there. Now, movie theaters are losing a lot of people, a lot of viewers, because of the facility of you getting these movies on your computer, on your phone, on your tablet. It is so much easier to go to Netflix. It's so much easier to go, to HBO, Paramount, whatever you use. It's so much easier to just be there at the comfort of your home. Maybe the next step in AMC's, what they do next, or plans what they do next, is they should come up with the streaming service, and then they can, charge big money for movies. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, what do I think personally? AMC stock, if it does drop again, even lower, I will buy more, but I am comfortable just holding and waiting for it to go to the upside. I am going to sell off some more if it reaches higher than $15, and then just keep a little bit just in case, and so on and so on. But definitely keep this in mind. It is a good company, and I hope it does go to the upside higher than $50, but we will see how it goes, especially with the economy going back up, with the inflation going back up. We'll see how that is. Definitely keep this in your watch list, because it will shoot up just like it did in the past month. All right, thank you for staying tuned. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. It does go a long way in supporting the channel. And once again, thank you very much. You guys are huge supporters, and I will see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks.